Welcome to this GoBright Administrator video. During this video we will provide an overview of Park. As an administrator you may need to make changes to the original configuration of GoBright. This may include adding more parking spaces, adding new types of parking space, changing the time preferences for booking parking, or changing the profile of parking spaces. So let us look at each of these in turn. With access to the Settings menu, we can go to Settings and we can come down to Park. That opens up the side menu bar on the left hand side, and we've got parking spaces, profiles, types and time preferences. So let's look at parking spaces first. If we just need to add a new parking space, then we can simply go to Add and we can give it a name. Select a profile from the existing stock of profiles or create a new one, more about that later, and we could select a type. We can decide any amenities and the location that this is going to be in. We can then save, or if we're doing multiple parking spaces, then we could use the save and clone, and then all we have to do is change the name. Mentioned profiles, so if we go on to profiles, at the moment we've just got the one profile for parking, so if we needed to edit all of our parking spaces with this profile associated with it, then we can select and then we can scroll down the menu. Well, let's say we've decided to not make the license plate mode optional, so we might make it as a requirement. And we might want people to actually check in once they've arrived at the parking space. So we can make a no-show detection. And we could change that from 5 minutes before the session, and if they haven't checked in 30 minutes after the booking was due to start, then the space would be released. How would we want them to check in? Well, with no sensors on the parking space, we're just going to use the booking confirmation by portal or app. And any other changes can then be made as well. Again, we'd just save and that profile would be updated and all of our parking spaces updated. We may want to create a new type of parking space. So rather, at the moment we've just got EV charging, but if we wanted to add a new one, then we might make this a wide space. And we can save, and that's added to the types. How we book the parking may change. So if I go to time preferences, then do we want to do it as an exact time? Do we want a half day, in which case we're saying the start of the day, the start of the afternoon or end of the day? Or do we just want it as all day? Again, small changes that can be made after the original configuration. So that's how, as an administrator, you can change some of the settings within the parking area of the GoBright portal. Thank you for watching this GoBright Administrator support video. If further support is required, please go to our website gobright.com and visit our help centre.